Lost my video, just got it back.
Object, Hartsville, New York. Team members Gracie White, Tucker Davis, Joe, and Chuck Park. Got international, World 56. That's gold in 2024. New Ford.
This is the first year he's been here.
For all their help and support.
This is the first year this fella's pulled here.
Trevor Ruschenheimer, international, World 56.
See what he can do. First time he's ever pulled here. New track, new puller.
3 of them from Hartsville, New York. Steep hill to climb, 316 feet. Come on, you international fans, here we go.
Come on, we can beat the red with the blue here.
Just a hop, skip, and a jump on the track.
He went about 4th place, I guess.
71 feet of pure adrenaline. That was awesome.
Put him in about 4th place, I'd say.
Travel job, driving.
Then can also move down to 5th. One more, 2 more coming. I thought it was another Ford, but maybe I'm wrong. We've got a green tracker coming. I'm not sure about that other Ford.
Well, I think Lincoln Square down here, the downtown Deruyter Diner, great breakfast place. Under new manager, they offer an enjoyable, friendly atmosphere.
One more.
Thanks about the booth, but Evan here, he's down every morning at breakfast. Your breakfast, lunch, 2 dinner specials. Pizza and wings, Aldo's on Friday. Our hours are Monday through Saturday. 5:30 to 2 p.m. Sunday, 5:30 to 2 p.m. Friday, 5:30 to 9. Hope to see you there. Hey, tell them the fair, the fireman sent me down there. They're looking for more business. They're doing a great job. We like to support our local businesses. And who doesn't like breakfast in the morning from a diner? Come on. A little grease in your belly is good for you. Lincoln Square. Thank you for the continued support, and we wish the new owners, new management, nothing but the best.
Green tracker here, buddy. Not Tonight Deer. How about this one for a name? Not Tonight Deer. Unique name. Not Tonight Deer. Not Tonight Deer. I have a headache.
Jimmy Madden, look at this John Deere, you John Deere folks.
It's the only John Deere I believe pulling here.
Suburban, New York. Members, Morgan Madden, Wayne Madden, Karen Madden. Support since 2020, 2020.
We're in New York, home of the famous Ferdinand Downs horse racetrack.
Transport. Truck driver.
Famous Ferdinand Downs, we're in New York.
Jim Madden. Not Tonight Deere, Vernon, New York. Hi, you John Deere fans. The only John Deere in the class, so here's one Alan Chalmers. And one
John Deere here total.
Here we go.
Only green tractor here today. Whoa, something happened.
Great run.
Something gave out, but it pretty
155 feet.
Put him in 6th place right now. Out of 6, 1 to go. I'll leave one more tractor coming. I think one more tractor coming, I'm not sure. There's one more coming. Got a Ford, it's like a 9600 Ford is going to hook up, and that'll be fit the class. Finish off our heavy heart fiber class. Apologize for the breaks in the taping, but I had to take a water break and one more tractor to come up the pole.
Team, family owned and operated. Fully insured, all paid with construction. Call today for a free quote. 607-591-4565.
That puts him in the 6th place. 6th place.
I think you've been fine.
tonight here is number
Started 2016, family owned and operated, family insured, all based in construction, all based in
one more Ford pulling. Well, one more Ford tractor to pull. A Ford tractor will win the heavy class. Will beat the Reds today. As you know, remember earlier the 9700 took the lead. I've got a 9600 about to pull. So Ford tractor is going to win today. Don't see Ford tractors win very often, but they do pull. Usually pull pretty stout. Usually it's the red ones that win, but today the blue one's going to win. Last year, Cody Eisen had one of those 960-86, but he's not here today, so either way, we're going to see a blue tractor win, something you don't see very often. The Fords usually do pull well.
Pizzeria right downtown. I couldn't live around that place, quite frankly. My wife goes down there, they call her Chicken Farm too.
So the Ford tractor
all the fried dough over here comes from Sal's, that's why it's so great. Sal's pizza subs, calzones, like I said, chicken parm, lasagna, salad, cooler full of drinks, great local establishment, great community members, you ask them for money for stuff like this, they always say yes. Sal's Pizza, fried dough, all that stuff comes from Sal's Pizza in downtown Reading. I love them, we love them, thank them, we're out of support.
Yep, I recommend Sal's Pizza if you're in Deruyter. They're very good. They're quite good. Sal's does a good job. Good pizza, good Italian food. Salvatore.
Sorry, the big cat. Mike Stone, 49600, Little Boy Blue, Sherburne, New York.
Now they got third or fourth place. Nice one.
479 feet, my man.
Put them in about fourth place, I'm guessing, or third. We got third or fourth. Very respectable. Good day for the Ford tractor team today. Won the lightweight class and the heavyweight class. Good day to be true blue Ford, I guess. Good day for the Ford. Good day for the Ford tractor class.
496 1976. July 2023. So they have to watch this course and they can remember I'm not able to become part of it. So, Mike Stone.
9700 got first.
Sherburne, New York.
Your got second. Ed Seed got third. And that's a rundown to the heavy class. Don't know if we're going to have a semi-class or not. If not, we will be doing a video at Rosebud, New York next week. Unless we do have a semi-class, but for now, meep, meep.